Well, howdy our people is. We finally got this new oven all set up, completely installed and everything. And right now I'm preheating the oven. We haven't had an oven with a window or light since New York. And the one in New York also was all electric. Well, this one is gas. So it's a GE. And oh my goodness, I can actually see what temperature it is in there because of that thermometer right there. It's at around 200 and climbing. Trying to get it to 400. But, yep. So she's like, what the heck, human? But yeah, I'm trying to get a turkey pot pie heated. Waiting just a smidge, and then I'll split the top right about here if I can and put it in. So, yep, and I've got mac and cheese going too. It's not the best, but it is still food. Well, later y'all.